or something.
Yeah, good idea. Right, okay. We're going to start recording. So, hello everyone. Edward
Hello.
here. Update you with the current market situation. We're joined with Oliver at the moment.
Hello.
And then Patrick will be joining us later. They're gonna be, and I'm gonna be in our giving our opinions for all the Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So first we'll look at Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then Solana, then HNT and MATIC. We'll talk about some Bitcoin dominance, and then we'll move on to flipping some Solana NFTs. Don't worry if you don't want to, you don't have to. Just a reminder, we're going to be giving away and promoting our VIP package, as most people's free giveaway is coming to an end. Just to let you know, it's $30 a month and you get a month free. There are other packages, better value for money. Okay. So first of all, we'll look at Bitcoin dominance. Oh, someone just joined and left.
Oh.
Not good. I just forward the link quick. I'll just text. Let's just text PTR.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll start. Oh, I think he's in.
Oh, good.
Right. Okay. All right. So first, we'll have a look at Bitcoin. So you see here we're going into this wedge. We'll show you this quick chart here. No major supports, but here we're going to like this support here from there, and here we retested here, and we got supported by it. We tested here towards the bottom there. We bounced off it here. May not bounce off it there, but we're gonna try. This is a. Let's just have a look at it. It's an ascending triangle, so that is bullish, and we probably will see. Well, I think we're heading towards 94k sort of area, but realistically 80k sort of area. If we have a look at the full Bitcoin resistance, carry this on. Yeah. So as you can see here, we're going into this this ascending triangle here, which is also bullish. Don't worry about this blue arrow here. This is just one scenario. Obviously, there's plenty of others. I doubt this scenario is going to play out, but we'll find out. I reckon we'll see sideways movement, jolting up, down, and here, playing on these resistance, and then exit towards the 90k area. But we'll just find out. I doubt we'll ever drop down to this 40k area again, but we'll find out. If we have a look now at Bitcoin dominance real quick, and then we'll move on to Ethereum. We released a short signal actually today on Bitcoin. All right, Oliver.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still there. What was that?
I don't really know. That's a weird noise.
Yeah.
I don't
know. All right. Okay. If you have a look at this trend here, I'll be able to see here. Okay, if you look at, well, it's not really a trend. We're going to find the proper trend. This is a good way to find trends. I think, what's his name? Use it, Tender or something like that. All right. Okay. So Bitcoin dominance looks like it's going to go up. We'll take a look at Anchor shortly, actually, too. So Bitcoin dominance is looking good. you can see here it's following a trend here. Could though mean that we're going to exit here and follow along this trend and then make our way up. So we could exit down here and go up ways like that, or we could see something play out where we follow this trend for a while, then exit up here, just depending. Ethereum dominance not charted this in ages. Okay, well, obviously here it wasn't a double top like we thought, and nothing happened. Nothing to say here except from sideways movement. Let's have a look at what did we say? So we said we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and so okay, here you go. Sugar. Okay, so not the best thing to happen, but we did. This was a wedge that we went into here. We had the 3 bounces here, which often means we're going to plummet upwards. Unfortunately, well, rocket upwards. We've gone down a bit, which is fine. Obviously, we can still turn it around. We can dip there and then go up here, as we said, making what 15%. This is why you don't need futures. I'll go on a bit about future trading in a sec, but this is a very good way how to. So what you would do, let's say you got $1,000. Okay, just put $50 into it. Let's say no, we're not going to put. We're going to put $100 in. Yeah, it might dip first on spot, but eventually we're going to see price action up there, and that's 15%. So that's what $7.50. We make 15% on everything. We're going to be making money, and just set these So I'm going to start putting more take profits on recent trades on VIP. There's been a lot more. So here you can TPs, targets on screen. So when these loads, you can see here our take profits are actually there. I think I posted one about. So that was the Ethereum one. We posted about one. Let's have a look at one in a sec. Once we've had a look at that one, we're going to have a look at VET quick. Okay, VET, that's another one. Okay, if this candle closes like that, we'll definitely hit entry, maybe even take profit one. But VET looks good, higher than it was in the second bull run the second major bull run where we saw major gains of if you'd bought in July, 157%, which is crazy. I bought from. Hello.
I'm seeing head and shoulders on VET.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
You see it?
What this hair?
Wait, let me send you.
Yeah. I think this is what it means. I'm not sure.
4 hours time frame.
Okay, I'll check it now quick. Yeah, I see that. So yeah, that definitely. So it's basically this is what he's just sent me. So this definitely could play out, obviously. An option is though that we do dip down. I doubt we'll plummet all the way down here. It'll be something more like this to this support here, and then continue back up. However, though, if this candle does close like this, it means that if I can just zoom in a bit for you, it means the sellers, the bears, are struggling to keep up with the bulls. The bulls are buying. So this is a hammer, a red hammer, which it doesn't really matter. but it still can be bullish. Volume is not good at all, to be honest. Let's try and find some more red hammers. Red hammer, look there, banged all the way up there. Red hammer, dipped, banged. Red hammer, banged up there. Inverted hammer. Yeah, okay. We'll continue looking. If anybody has any questions, actually, I'll or any coins that they want me to do, I'll have a look at them. If you have a look at one now. Okay, one went up a bit. It's going to retest this resistance here, and it's hopefully going to bounce back up, but we'll find out. It's about entry now. What was the other one that we were going to look at? Solana. I think we already have a look at Solana.
Yeah.
All right. Sugar.
If we've got time, can we look at? Oh, let me just find this. Right.
All right. Okay.
Right, so 1 minute.
I'll just do some analysis on Solana quick. So I think HNT, so Helium, definitely could be the same price as Solana one day. Let's just have a look. So this is pretty much how Helium started. It was about 20. So it was about what last year? It was about the same price, so about $2, $4, $5. So Helium started off as that price. Okay. I've had it shot up to about $25, same as Solana, as you can see here. It went up to what, $25, $20, $30. Okay. Helium's done the same. Then it all of a sudden shot up to what, $55. Helium did the same. Went a bit higher, got rejected by the $60. But oh well. Okay. And then all of a sudden, bang, is going all the way up to 230, 257, 258 all-time high. But the great thing about Helium and Solana, both have really good causes. So Helium, I think it's something to do with no Wi-Fi, something, but basically you have internet wherever you go, etc. People have these miners which don't actually, it's not terms of mining Bitcoin, it's more that you let people use that network and you'll get rewarded in Helium. Solana, you make smart contracts, NFTs, you can make your own coins on it, a bit like BNB, but obviously you can use NFTs on it. I'm not sure you can use NFTs, well, you can make NFTs on the BNB network. HNT, we'll have a quick look at. All right, okay. HNT is going into this wedge here. And then I'll give you some proof that HNT has done what I've said.
The one I was looking for is AMP, by the way.
AMP, all right, okay. So look, if you see here, the start of this year, well, it was less than Solana, about the same price though. Solana obviously was this price at some point, $4 or $5. Okay, BNB coin actually followed the same thing. Start of the year, it's about $5. Okay, now and then all of a sudden it shot to what, $30. Then it shot to $50, $60, etc. Didn't just make it to $60, like I said. Now it's funneling into a wedge, which is obviously this wedge is bullish. It's a ascending triangle. which is good. You've probably, let's just extend this wedge because we'll see how long you've got to buy. We'll look at the line chart, see if we've got a good resistance line. So the line isn't as good, but we can make it better by doing something like that. Candles, save that there. Okay, so this candlestick here isn't good. It's bearish, and unfortunately, it's like called a long upper shadow, and means we're gonna see downwards movement. I don't think we will though, seeing as this is pretty much the well, just before a premature breakout, basically. We might see movement like this though. Go dip down here and then go back upward alongside of here, and then all of a sudden break out and start going towards $100 sort of price. Yeah. I think the last one we said we're going to have a look at is MATIC, and then we'll look at what was the coin, Oliver, you said?
AMP.
AMP.
Mm-hmm.
Have you got any predictions for it or not?
No, it's quite a unstable one actually.
Right,
Looks of
okay.
this. So I was
Okay,
wondering if you
MATIC.
knew
Yeah, I'll
what
have a
go on.
look. Okay, MATIC, I wouldn't buy yet. I would wait. MATIC could definitely be the one that goes to $25 sort of price, hopefully. A bit like Solana, got the NFTs on it too, etc., etc. Wait,
That's
one
good.
sec.
It's always useful that.
What was it? ANT,
AMP.
AMP.
Mm-hmm.
How are you looking at that? What exchange?
It was on Coinbase.
Let's just look at those Coinbase. USD. All right. Okay. Blooming heck.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. A chart like this, there's nothing much to say, to be honest, except from wherever you buy, unless you buy at the top of there, you're very likely to be in profit. So you buy here, you're going to be profit, 50% in profit. You buy anywhere, just don't FOMO. Okay. So let's say you buy now, don't set a stop loss, buy on spot, just hold and set your take profit as this second thingy here. The second spike is 38%. So just be sensible with it. Now we're pretty much done. Has anybody got any coins? Type them in, shout out loud which coins you want me to look at, and then we'll move on to something else quick. No, all right, okay. Anchor. Anybody buy any Anchor? We signaled it just at this wedge. Oh, you did actually. One of you did, Jayesh. I think your
I've
name
still
is.
got it holding, but
All right, sell it now, Oliver.
you think?
Yeah.
All
You've
right.
made 17.55%. Yeah.
It's not bad, is it?
No, if you bought when we said, so this is actually take profit free, this purple. We didn't
I think I
actually
bought
set
a while
any.
ago. A long
Yeah.
while ago. I'm not sure
So
when it was.
there's no one got any coins for us to analyze. No, all right, okay, here we go. So now we're gonna have a look at some NFTs that I've actually had a look on the market. Also, this isn't too good for Bitcoin. This is a red spinning top, and if 9 minutes and 45, you might want to short it, and it might close green though, and take profit there. Well, you can take profit there if you don't want to be risky. Just at the EMA, let's find out which EMA that is, the EMA 100. And then if you want to be really risky, I doubt it'll drop down to here. you could take profit there. But yeah, if this candle closes green, like this shape, so a green spinning top, but obviously green, not red, then we go up. If it closes red, like it is now, we'll go down. Nothing major, but still make money from it. Okay, that's what I was going to show you. So not that one. Okay, let's have a look at some NFTs. Let's open Chrome. Let's just pause share a sec. Can you still hear me, everyone? Yeah.
Yeah, you're fine.
Right. Right. Okay. I just opened these links now. So we got this first one here. Most of these are going to be on SolSea. Afterwards, if you want, I'll post the links. So this one, we actually own a few drippy penguins, me and Oliver.
Yeah, I like
This
the
is-
drippy penguins.
This one we found a license isn't attached. 14 views, 1 like, probably the creator liking it, but still it's got a decent attention. Looks pretty cool. It's got a good rarity score. Rarity rank 3,647,
Wow.
which is good. It's sold before, so you can see there. 10% royalties, which is good. If we go to the next one then quick. If you want, you can buy these. I can post the link afterwards. I recommend it. You probably flip them for what times 5, not times 5, times 0.5, times 2 maybe.
I'd recommend the drippy penguins. I remember this.
These ones are cool too. Solana, Koala.
Yeah. They're quite cheap as well. Oh, they've gone up a lot since I last saw them.
Gosh, yeah. So you can see 76 views, 6 like. These ones are getting a lot more attention. You can flip these probably for that one's going for 2 Solana. Let's just close the tabs. So that's pretty good. 1 Solana. Yeah, let's have a look at some other ones quick. Wait, I was 3 down, was there?
Yeah.
Solana penguins. If it's gonna let me. That one's a good one. I can post links to. It's cheap. Look if you see they're going for like 3.15 sol sort of thing. This one's going for what? 0.5 sol, which is good.
I'd recommend that.
That's crazy. I'll go through this in a sec. This is what the where you can find out about the new launches. New launch is a bit risky because you can get rug pulled, unfortunately. So just trying to float them's a lot easier, a lot more safer. Vegan Monster. We actually own one of these, 2 of these actually. Sorry.
Yeah.
Cool projects. Let's have a look. 1 sol, 2 sol. Let's have a look at floor 0.05. That's not good. Volume less than 10 sol is good for a new project. 631 views is good. Listed only 74 out of, I don't know, let's check how many there are. I think there's about 2,000, 5,000, which is really good. Let's go on to the next one quick.
How much is that vegan monster at?
0.4.
That's
I think we've gone through the list. We'll go through just digitalized ones now that I found. I've just deleted it. Okay, we'll just load this up on here then. Just be easier. Hood rats. We've got a few of these actually. I recommend this one. Cool project, always doing giveaways.
That's what you like to see.
Uh-huh. Unverified NFT appears to be part of a verified collection. Okay, ignore that. It's verified. It says if it appears to be part of a verified. No, it doesn't make sense. I favorited this one. Hundreds #1551. I don't know, but basically there it is. There's 5,555. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so this is where we find out about the new NFT upcoming projects. Go to this website. If you're thinking of minting any, I'd go for the cheaper ones just in case you get rippled. This one looks like a good project there. This one definitely does too, the turkey one. This one does two here. This one does. That one does. This one does too. Go to this here. So we're going to find one cheap, 0.1 sol. We might mint one of these, Oliver.
Yeah. They do look quite good, them ones.
Wait one sec, what time is it at? 10 a.m. UTC. Okay, our meeting ends in 10. So it's 10 a.m. Sunday. All right, okay, it's not too late then. Wait, is it? Oh, I think we've missed it actually. So we'll head over to their Discord.
Oh. I hope we haven't. It looks quite
So
good.
it's only got 79 members, which maybe isn't the best. How many is there in the collection though? 5,000, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's something you want to look out for. Low.
Yeah. All members 78. Right, okay. General. I just messaged him now. By the way, does anybody want to buy an NFT? Or need help buying them or minting them? I think we're gonna, if we can mint one right now, we'll mint one. We'll show you how to do it.
How much are they?
I'm just gonna pause screen a sec. 0.1.
Ah, it's not bad, yeah.
All right, okay, I'm just gonna pause screen 1 sec.
All right.
Okay. If it's gonna mint it, let's just open our wallet. I think I might have minted 2 actually.
2?
Yeah, let's just reload. Okay, it's loaded. Correct. Congratulations, mint successful. Okay, I'll continue. Right, okay. We'll reload it.
Have a look at them.
All right, here we go. So 181 have been minted. All right. Do you want to mint another one? Do you want to mint another one? See what we get.
How much do we have?
I don't know. 1 sec, I'll check. We could mint another. We couldn't mint another one. We're out. Got 0.04 left.
Oh.
We got a shit on there. All right, okay. We continue. What is that? Oh.
I have no idea.
Unlucky.
You never know, it might be worth a bit.
Yeah.
Secretly be a decent.
I'll just say I minted in the chat.
How long is
One sec, let's just put a screen. I'm gonna share it.
Okay.
Does anybody want me to do anything quick, like go over anything or not?
I see Vet closing the 4 hours candle on green. I think it's doji.
Yeah, I'll take a look quick.
Okay.
So it's win USDT. Yeah, okay, I'll look at that now. Oh yeah, the 4 hour. All right, okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, what did I say? Okay, green spinning top there. It's gone up a bit. Vet. Okay, that's really good for Vet. Good news. That's a long lower shadow, so it's green. It's good. It's a hammer, whatever you want to call it. That means at least hit this EMA 50 there, which is good news. Let's quick check win. Wink. Oh my days! I bought this so long ago.
Your
I bought.
screen's
Oh, sorry.
paused.
Okay, so I think I bought this back in July sort of time.
Oh wow.
Jeez, I forgot about this. All right,
Do you
okay.
still have it?
Yeah, in my holding wallet. 200%. Okay. Win. It's like some online wink, some online casino thing, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks good, by the way. I've only got 5 minutes left. Let's just let's just send this in. All right, okay. So a good thing about spot trading is, yeah, once you've said it, once you've set your take profits and everything, you don't need to be pooing yourself all the time, because we can literally set a take profit. We know it's going to hit it eventually. Just don't put all your portfolio in, because we want to be able to find other good trades, and just wait for it to hit it. Forget about it, ignore it, and eventually you'll start making a lot more money. We don't want to be worrying about our futures trade or getting liquidated, do we? There's no point. Like, okay, yeah, but I'll show you now if you want to live that stressy lifestyle.
After you finish watching Helium 4 hours time frame, it closed like a red heaven. It's good for short.
Yeah.
Oh, sugar. So yeah, I'll have a look now. Yeah, that is good. I don't think personally though, if I was to short it, I would be taking profit around this support at 50.58. So in my opinion, it won't be worth it. It's not even on KuCoin though, to be honest. Wait, HNT, this isn't a it is worth a short actually, sorry. This is a rising wedge, which we all know means downwards maybe. I don't think it'll go that far down, and if it does, it'll recover quite quickly, I suspect. Maybe to $45. Wink. Let's go back on that one quick. Let's beat it. Tweezer top here. I wouldn't rely on it though. Obviously, this can happen quite a lot, and we break that. I can't really say anything about it, to be honest, because obviously it's just rocketed. There's nothing much to say about it. 2 minutes left of this meeting. If there's anything you want me to, I'll quickly go through this. But if there's anything you want me to ask, then just tell me. Okay. I'll talk about leverage trading now in Bitcoin. So this is a method that I've been told about by Tender, or whatever his name is, Tenor, or I don't know it, but okay. Basically, you can see it every time this RSI hit. Well, not here, but it's hits 20, you long it on 100 times leverage, the max leverage you can use basically, and then take profit. Where is it? Take profit about 70%. So that's, if you've got it on 125 leverage, that's about sorry, what am I about? Basically, take profit when it's up, well, as much as you want. Just make sure you don't lose your money. I'm trying to say it, but I can't say it. Yeah, that looks good. We've got less than a minute left, so if you've got any questions, ask them now. Yeah, thank you everybody for joining.
Thank you. Yeah.
If you want to rejoin it, you'll be able to watch it on YouTube. I'll upload it later. Hopefully you can make some profit and everybody can start spot trading soon and get off future trading, because it's the worst thing in the world. Not a good idea. Thank you everybody for joining.